In a significant pivot intended to re-energize the real estate sector and bolster economic growth, China has made it easier for property buying. As outlined on its website, the Ministry of Housing and Urban-Rural Development plans to slash down payment ratios and mortgage rates for first-time homeowners, in addition to tax relief for those seeking to upgrade their residences. The announcement surfaced merely days after a high-profile economic assessment meeting indicated a shifting strategy, that is, moving away from the erstwhile restrictive home buying regulations. Over the years, China has steadfastly erected barriers to dissuade speculative behavior in its massive property market. In 2017, for instance, a policy obliged banks to account for both home ownership and loan record, meaning a homeowner looking to sell one property to acquire a larger one was still burdened with a high down payment for purchasing a second property. In some major cities, these down payments could skyrocket to 80%, with mortgage rates as high as 5.25%. During a period of overheated property market activities, these rules effectively curbed speculative buying. Fast forward 6 years, this policy is now on the cusp of transformation. In recent policy package, the Housing Ministry has introduced a pivotal change. From now on, home ownership will be recognized independently of the buyer's home loan records. The fresh efforts respond to considerable changes in the supply-demand dynamics within China's real estate sector. In year 2022, real estate and associated industries represent 13 to 14% of China's entire economy. Yet, in the first half of this year, while fixed asset investment grew by 3.8% year-on-year, property investment plunged by 7.9%. Currently, private developers are responsible for 80% of all property investment within the country. Economic observers believe that these relaxed restrictions and risk mitigation strategies could potentially stimulate demand, rejuvenate confidence in private investment, and enhance developers' financial standing. From the demand perspective, China has also pledged to harness technology to upgrade housing quality. Construction and real estate firms are being encouraged to participate in affordable housing projects and urban village redevelopment. And reacting to the news, property stocks and related shares saw a sharp surge on Monday in China, with the market eagerly anticipating the unfolding of policy implementation and further detailed local measures, particularly in top-tier cities. Some analysts even forecast the possibility of China's stock market entering a bullish phase for the first time this year, spurred by these housing policy shifts.